What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the mobile data slow issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on airplane mode, and after a few seconds turn it back off. Now after turning off the flight mode, it will fix the slow internet issue. But if you're still facing the slow mobile data issue, then check your network. So check if you are getting more than 3 bars of signals. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars, it means your network connection is poor. So move to area where you can get more than 3 bars of signals, and after that the slow mobile data issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this, then take out the SIM card from your phone, clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning, put it back in your phone. And after reinserting the SIM card, it will fix the slow mobile data issue. So that's how you can fix the slow mobile data issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.